No, right now.
Honeymoon Harbor.
Because there's.
Yahweh!
Yeah, and it's flat like a lake.
That badass Nortec. Let's zoom in
When
that.
you're coming.
I'll be my next
Yeah.
boat. Right over there.
Yeah, you'll see them right before you get to Honeymoon Harbor. There's rock on the right side. You just gotta look as you're coming up. Look down at the ground. Go kind of slow through there. You're
Gotta represent.
You can go a little bit faster than a no-wake zone.
Ain't much wind
Just
blowing.
start looking around.
Damn
and
it.
you'll see them swimming around through there, about 15 foot of water. And there's baby ones and there's big, huge ones. But once that video loads, you'll see. I mean, and it's crystal
Pool
clear.
water out here. Just a little salty. Money over there.
All right, well.